Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily remove all blocked contacts on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first open up settings. Then scroll down until you find Phone, and then scroll down again, and right here you can easily find the blocked contacts option. You can just tap on that to see all the contacts, including phone numbers and emails that you have blocked. Now, in order to remove a contact from that list, you should tap right here on Edit, and then you can just hit at that minus sign next to that phone number in that way, and then hit at unblock. Unfortunately, there are no option to bulk unblock all the contacts in one click, so it may take a while for you to unblock in the same way all the contacts, especially if you got a big blocked contacts list. But unfortunately, that's the only way how you can remove all blocked contacts on your iPhone. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my iPhone tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.